Are you facing a problem where sounds are not working on your Pokémon Go app? If your answer is yes, then don't worry. Here's the advanced guide on how to solve this Pokémon Go sound problem on your iPhone. So let's get started. Before doing anything, try these quick settings below. Slide down and ensure that you've turned off low power mode and Bluetooth connection also. After that, turn up the volume. Now check whether your problem is solved or not. And try this easy solution below. Solution 1. Turn up the Pokémon Go internal volume option. Open the Pokémon Go app and now tap on Pokémon ball icon. Here you can see the settings icon. Tap on it and now you will get a music and sound volume option. From here, customize the sound range of your Pokémon app and check whether your problem is solved or not. Otherwise, try the next solution. Solution 2. Enable system sound for iPhone. Open settings, scroll down, tap accessibility, scroll down, tap audio or visual, scroll down. Now set the audio slider in the middle. Solution 3. Update your Pokémon Go app. Open the App Store, search Pokémon Go. If you find any updates available, then tap on Update. Now open the Pokémon Go and check whether your problem is solved or not. Solution 3. Offload the Pokémon Go app. Open settings, scroll down, tap on General. Now tap on iPhone storage. Find the Pokémon Go app. Tap on it. Tap on the Offload the app button and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app. After that, hopefully your sound not working problem will be solved. But if you have anything to ask, please ask them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.